Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, I had a question. I bought a PlayStation 4 about a year and a half back, and I want to sell it now. But the confusion is that 99% of people who buy such gaming consoles, they use it for haram. So, is it permissible for me to sell it or no?
To tell you the truth, I don't have an idea how this device look like, but may I ask you a question, Abdul Hadi? This device, can you play, I think, FIFA, football?
Yes,
So is this halal or haram?
this is halal.
The vast majority of the youth I know usually spend their time playing this game. And inshallah, this is permissible if you follow the Islamic conditions and you don't do anything haram. Therefore, why assume that the vast majority who will buy this counsel from you or this device will use it in haram? It's a device like a knife. You can cut people's throats with it, and you can cut the bread and the meat to eat with it. So I don't have to make a placement test for whomever wants to buy it from me about their purpose and intention of buying it. And as long as I don't have any clue about it, it is permissible for you to sell it.